Anaerobic digestion plants explained. First of all, anaerobic digestion plants have nothing to do with plants that grow. The term plant refers to machinery and equipment, distinct from the plants that grow in fields and gardens. While both involve the word plant, their meanings are unrelated. Anaerobic digestion plants are facilities where machinery and equipment use the natural process of anaerobic digestion to make biogas, and at the same time they are transforming how we handle organic waste. By harnessing a fundamental, and very ancient, natural process, these facilities convert food scraps, manure, and other organic waste materials, such as sewage sludge, into valuable resources, helping communities and businesses manage waste more sustainably. Inside sealed, oxygen-free tanks called digesters, microorganisms break down organic matter through 4 stages: hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. This process produces biogas, mainly methane and carbon dioxide, the methane from which can be injected into the natural gas grid, generate electricity, heat, or even fuel vehicles. The leftover, which is called digestate, is a nutrient-rich natural fertilizer, closing the nutrient loop for agriculture. Anaerobic digestion plants dramatically reduce greenhouse gas emissions by capturing methane that would otherwise escape from rotting things and landfills. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, each ton of food waste processed through anaerobic digestion, instead of landfilling, saves approximately 1 to 1.5 cubic yards of landfill space, while generating enough electricity to power an average household for 1 to 2 months. These plants also create revenue through energy sales, tipping fees, known as gate fees, and government incentives. From small farms to large cities, anaerobic digestion is a versatile renewable energy solution. Very small biogas plants can even be used by ordinary families, in home digesters, to make their own cooking gas. By turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's energy and fertilizer, these plants exemplify a circular economy and play a vital role in building a more sustainable future. That, very briefly, is what happens in anaerobic digestion plants, but don't expect to see any growing green plants in these industrial installations that are dominated by multiple huge tanks and usually have domed plastic roofs. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video interesting.